Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to use Google Analytics to track your online store on Keepsales. Basically, what this means is when you have created your online sales with Keepsales, you are now able to use Google Analytics to track the activities on your website. So for instance, you are able to see how many new users have visited your website, the number of visitors per day or per certain period. You are even able to see the particular pages that people usually visit on your website. So this can be like a very great tool for your marketing purposes and how to improve as a business. So let's get to it. So the first thing we have to do is, okay, when you've opened Google Chrome or any website, you type google.com/analytics. Okay, so once you've typed that, this is what will appear, and then we go to start for free. So this is Google Analytics marketing platform. All right, then we click on start for free. Now once you click on start for free, now you must have a Gmail account, so you'd have to create one if you do not have it. Okay, so we are going to go ahead to use another account for this. Okay, so this, and then I type my password. Okay, so these days you are able to have these things on your own profiles. Okay, so once we are here, this is what appears. So you are welcomed to their analytics page. We click on start measuring. Then now we have to enter our account name. So this, we are going to enter let's say demo Keepsales. That's the name of the account. And then you already don't need to be checking these things, so you just go to next. And then the next thing that comes is you have to work on your property setup. Okay, so we are going to enter a property name. Now it says that create a Google Analytics for property to measure your web and or app or data. So then you can still keep this name, or you can use the name of your online store. We can leave the reporting time as UK. The currency, I would want to use the dollars. Okay, so I have it here. Great. Then I go to next. Good. Then it says that help us tailor your experience by answering the following. So you have to select an industry. Okay, so let's say I'm in the which one do I choose? Okay, I don't have that option, so I just click on other. Okay, then you select the number of employees you have. My business is a small business, so I select that, and then they ask you how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. So you can just check what you want to do. So I want to measure customer engagement with my site or app. I want to optimize. You can check as many as you want. Okay, yeah, you can check as many as you want, and then you click on create. Okay, this shows up. All right, then you just click to agree. You don't have to read everything. You just click to check. You have to check first, and then you click on I accept. All right, so once you've accepted, now we wait for this to appear. Okay, so it says that performance suggestions and updates. All right, so you can decide to check all these, learn about the latest. All right, how would they need that? But then they will be sending you notifications, suggestions and updates and things like that. If you do not want it, we can just and then we move on. Okay, so the first thing here is the next step is for us to set up a data stream to start collecting the data. Okay, so what this means is that you see the Google Analytics needs to know which platform to be tracking or extracting the data from for you. So is it a web platform? Is it an Android app? Is it an iOS app? Now, since we are looking at our online store, which is created using Keepsales, we are going to select web. Okay, so once we've done that, we need to enter the URL. That's the name of your website. So it is www.fashionista.sumundistore.com. Okay, then you look for a stream name. Okay, so my stream name will be Fashionista, and then you click on create stream. Okay, so once that is done, okay, this, all right, and this will be our measurement ID. Great. So in this portion, we will need our tracking ID or measurement ID. That is what the system is going to use to track your website. So once we've been brought over to this side, now this will be your measurement ID. So you click to copy. Okay, you click to copy. Now once you've copied, you go back to your Keepsales account. So we were here. You click on the main menu, you go to online store, and then you click on setup and settings. You click on setup and settings, and then it brings you to the online store management page. Then for option 11, okay, you know that there are steps to create your account. I know you're already familiar with 1 to 10. Now the option 11 says that track how your online store is performing with Google Analytics. So you click on that. Then over here, let's read. It says Google Analytics enables you to analyze who is visiting your online store, which pages or products they are viewing, what time they are viewing it, and many other useful information to help you in your marketing efforts. Okay, so paste your Google Analytics tracking or measurement ID here. So usually there'll be nothing in here. So then you click inside this, you paste your measurement ID, okay, like this measurement ID that we clicked to copy. Okay, you paste it over here, and then you click to save changes. Okay, once you click to save changes, it will tell you that your online store performance is now being monitored with Google Analytics. Now you click on done. So once you are done, you are done. Now what is going to happen afterwards is that anytime anybody visits your online store, you'll be able to find them here. So we go back to our analytics. Okay, so anytime you go to analytics.google.com, you just sign in, okay, to your account. So let me sign out from here. Yeah, so like I said, anytime you visit analytics.google.com or google.com/analytics, and then you sign in. Okay, you sign into using the Gmail that you used. Yes, you use the Gmail account that you used to sign in, okay, to Google Analytics. Let me just click on okay. So we'll wait for this to load. Great. And then over here you get this will be the interface. So usually when you come to this side, to the left side, okay, these are the options. So you click on reports. Okay, this is the reports interface. So over here you're able to view, you know, the users, whether they've been new users, average engagement time, total revenue. Okay, over here this is the users in the last 30 minutes. All right, now you would have to test if sorry, you have to test if Google Analytics is now able to track your website. So to do that, if you get here for the first time, the users in the last 30 minutes are going to be 0. So what you do is that let's click on this option over here. Okay, let's open a new incognito window. Okay, and then we open our website. Yes, fashionista.sumundistore.com. Great. We go back to our analytics. You notice that the number would have increased. It was 2 before. If you are starting for the first time, it's going to be 0. So it would have increased to 1. Okay, mine was 2. It has now increased to 3. Okay, so this is how Google Analytics is going to be tracking your users. Okay, so when you come over here, we have what we call the report snapshot. So report snapshot just gives you like a general overview of what is going on. When you go to real time, okay, real time will be monitoring, will be tracking everything for you as it happens. So it will be users per minute. So over here, you notice that the number of users that have logged in, which is me, I did it myself. The number of users which are currently logged in are 3, and then they are found in Accra. If you scroll down, okay, you'll be able to find other parameters that is checking for you. So especially when you come here, you are able to see, okay, the places that the viewers visited. You are able to see all that. So I mean, all these, okay, are the various analytics which are available for you. Okay, so this is how you use Google Analytics to track your online website. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time, and bye bye.